Alexa here from the blog, theduvalhomestead.com, and today I'm going to share with you 5 kefir smoothie recipes. I had somebody on my YouTube channel ask the other day when I posted my how to make kefir video, what is our smoothie recipe? So I hope that this helps. A couple of weeks ago, I shared how to start your own kefir, how to keep it alive. It's very easy. If you want to learn how to do kefir, just go to my blog, theduvalhomestead.com. In the search bar, you can type kefir and you'll find the post and all the details. Kefir is a milk grain that creates really nice live active probiotic cultures in your milk that you can just do at home every single day, which is what we do. And I talked about this on the blog and YouTube channel. You could, of course, also make these smoothie recipes without kefir. You could use your own milk or coconut milk or even water. Now, I'm sharing these recipes as part of a free ebook, so you can go and download the ebook from my website and you'll have all the recipes written out already for you. The first is a tropical strawberry kefir smoothie. This one has strawberry and banana and pineapple for a really fun Hawaiian flavor. The next is a blueberry lemonade. It's got a nice blueberry sour flavor, perfect for summertime. The third kefir smoothie is harvest apple. This one uses, of course, apples and some nice fall spices that kind of just make it kind of taste like an apple pie in a smoothie. Next is the chocolate banana cake smoothie. This one, of course, uses your kefir and chocolate cocoa powder, so it's just a very natural sweetener. All of these smoothies, by the way, are just naturally sweetened. None of them have added sugars other than a natural sweetener. That's kind of how we do most desserts at the homestead, is just natural sweeteners. The last one is a sour cherry, and this one is just what it sounds like. It's a sour cherry. Cherries are very nutritious for your health, very good for you. So if you have frozen cherries, this would be a perfect smoothie for you. This one happens to be my favorite. Okay, so there you have 5 kefir smoothie recipes. Don't forget your copy of the free kefir smoothies recipe ebook. I will leave a link below this video so you can just download it. So I hope that you enjoy these recipes, and if you do make them, make sure you tag me on Instagram at the Duval Homestead. Let me know what you think. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are brand new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead here in Duval. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duval Homestead.